Hey folks, Lonnie back out in the shop again today. As you can see, we're fixing to do something. We're going to help a local car buddy out. He's got a 98 Chevy Cheyenne Mexico edition. He's got it lowered. I'm not sure exactly how big of a drop he's got, but it's pretty 611. Okay. And what we're going to do today is we've built some C-notches. And he's got some in here that he built before, but it's not working out right for him. So we're going to take these C-notches and we're going to install them. We do not claim to be any kind of professional, so don't bash me on what we're going to do. C-notches will be higher than the frame, so he is going to have to cut the middle section of the bed out. This is a nice truck, but it's a step side. But it's all about customizing. So anyhow, yeah, that's what we're about to do. So what we're going to do right now is unbolt and cut the frame from here to here, measure out for all this right here, and get these put in. As soon as we get this cut out of here, we'll come back. Alright, cutting the frame out. Alright folks, as you can see, we got her in there. Fixing to cut out the center section through here. We got it leveled this way through here. And we also got it leveled through there on both sides. We got the frame all leveled, front and back. So everything is completely squared up. We got one bar that goes across for support here. We'll have another one that comes up front on this front edge that goes back through there. So let us get all this right here, excess stuff right here, cut out. And then he ain't got to worry about his rear end hitting his frame. Alright folks, here we are. We got some piping run through here for bracing. What we're fixing to do is we're going to relocate the shocks. We're going to have them mounted up here, going down to the original location on the rear end. So what we're fixing to do is I've got these center punched. They've already got holes drilled through both ends. We're going to drill a 1 1/4 inch hole right through the center here with a hole saw. That'll allow us to take it and butt it straight up to the pipe here, and that'll be the new shock mounts. Right now we are outside. We'll come outside. We are working on cutting the center section out of the bed, because you have to do that in order for the bed to be able to set back down. So we're fixing to flip this over and cut along both edges. There we go folks. Got both bars in. Got it all painted up. He's going to wait. We're going to get some different mount for this top shock so we can get the pieces welded on here. We've already got them cut out. That way he can mount a shock up here. Other than that, we're fixing to slap the bed back on here and then we'll come back. There we go. As you can see, it does not have very much of a profile. I mean, it sticks up, I think maybe 6 inches. We'll get a measurement of it here in a minute. And then, for those of you wanting to know, the angle that we cut all of this metal, what was that, 30 degrees?
30 degrees.
We cut all the metal at a 30-degree angle, and then we even cut the bottom on 30-degree also. Let me get a tape measure and I'll give you some measurements. Here we go. from the top ridge right here, the rib up, it's only sticking up 4 inches to the top of the pipe. 4 and a quarter.
Showing the clearance.
And then the clearance from the rear end,
7 inches.
He got 7 inches of clearance right there. Let me see. Let me spin around here. I'm gonna stand in the truck for a minute. Well, I can't do that because then you ain't got your true clearance. Actually, you got, yeah, right at 7 inches. All right. Then we're gonna give you a measurement of each piece. The top piece here, it was, we cut it at 9 and 9¼ inches at a 30-degree angle. And then the pieces that run up goes to the frame, to the inside of the frame, all the way up. You got 10½ inches. So you got 10½ and it's 2 by 3 or is it 1.5?
I think
it may be.
1.5.
Yeah, 1.5 inch
by 3.
by 3 inch steel tubing. So 10.5, and every time you get done, it stands up. It'll be 13.5. So they are built 13.5 from the inside frame all the way up to the top. But that's it, guys. He's gonna later on make a tunnel that'll go over it to cover all this up. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Like I say, don't be bashing us in the comments because this is the first time we've ever done anything like this. And we got solid welds all the way through, so the section of frame that we cut out is a lot thinner than what we did put back in. Plus, it's got 2 braces running across, so if anything, it did stiffen up the frame. We did space out welding, so we did not let it all get hot. We spaced it out, let it cool down, weld a little bit more, and we jumped around. So the metal is not warped and everything is completely level. So again, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and until next time, God bless you. Have a good day.